We are here in the legendary Gym Venice Beach. It's the most iconic gym in the world. It's also the busiest gym in the world. Obviously, a gym with 10,000 members, you can't shut it down. So we need to work overnight. And we also need to be careful where we place the speakers, what we do with it, because literally every wall is a history wall. There's a lot of pictures of Mr. Olympias, there's a lot of other memorabilia, the jacket of Arnold Schwarzenegger he wore in Terminator, and you don't want to remove some of that stuff to put a speaker there. So you need to be really careful and integrate the modern technology into an iconic historic space.
As we approached the Gold's Gym Venice project, we just had some goals that we wanted to hit. And those goals were, one, to make the musicality throughout it. Two was, how do we visually make the new EdgeMax install look appropriate in this iconic space? And just to have an evenness everywhere you walk, whether you're inside the building and as you transition to the outside, there's really no difference between the two. As we were approaching the layout design, we look at Modeler to really guide us. The challenges of the room with the ups and downs and different elevation of this ceiling or that ceiling, this wall's made this way, that gave us the opportunity to tune the placement of the speakers. So using a blend of the EdgeMax, using a blend of the Design Max, using the Arena Max, it gave us the ability to make this room what we've turned out here.
The challenge we had with the EdgeMax, they were made to go in recessed ceilings. So now we love them so much and we wanted to use them in open ceilings. So with the help of our friends from Mountain Media, they came up with the idea to put the EdgeMax in a box that is custom made and that can be pendant mounted, like hung from the ceilings. And that way we can use the fabulous product also in open ceiling spaces and wherever we want.
The outdoor areas here, it's typical of any business that's in a neighborhood. You've got to control the outdoor levels. We do that with automation in the control space design. So we turn the system down at night in increments. We turn it up in the morning in increments. The speakers are angled downwards, not to throw the sound too far. I love the horn. It projects well. You can be close to it or far away. Because we have remote access, I can sit in my office, Tom can be in front of the speaker, and we will tailor the EQ on that particular speaker to match its environment. So it's not a cookie cutter job here, everything is custom. The reliability that you can really trust Bose to give you a product that will work is important. They work with us. We've also gotten some innovative ideas from the engineers. You can always get a Bose tech on the phone and things work out great. I'm very happy with the service we get.
Bose Professional is awesome for so many applications. You can see from the grin on my face that the Gold's Gym project is beyond what we expected to make it. There's always, you have this level you want, but when you finish that much above where you wanted it to be, you're there.